most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, good morning, everybody. It is a great day here, and we actually had some showers overnight, continuing that put down fairly significant amounts of rain. We'll get into that in just a bit. It is a damp start to the day in Lancaster, and it is going to be cloudy here to start things off as well. Temperatures in the upper 40s this morning. Lancaster picking up just about 1/10 of an inch of rain. So between yesterday and then overnight, we had some significant rainfall amounts, and that's just sort of kicking things off before the real show begins tomorrow, because today will be nicer by the afternoon. But we had a long stretch of rain produced overnight in places like York County. That was the real winner. Now we're seeing some clearing, or at least some drying. We are going to be cloudy here through about lunchtime. These clouds will be stubborn thanks to an east wind and likely not dissipating until this afternoon. But look at Thomasville, the York Airport, almost 7/10 of an inch of rain since midnight, a pretty hefty amount. Same with the Country Club of York, just about a ½ inch. Good, solid amounts of rain that we need, by the way. 2/10 of an inch in Kinzers, and then just over 1/10 at the Lancaster Airport in East Petersburg. Everybody starting out in the 40s this morning. Pretty consistent temperatures, and we still do have a deficit, an official deficit of about 4¼ inches at the airport. So the rain that is coming tomorrow through the weekend going to be very beneficial for that. Not much rain at the airport yesterday, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. Some places getting some hail yesterday with these convective cold core rain showers. 62 was the high yesterday, well below the average of 68. And so this morning we're starting out around 50 degrees, some of us dipping into the upper 40s, as I mentioned, but pretty consistent temperatures from Chambersburg down into Baltimore in the low 50s, and Philly right at 50 degrees as well. We're actually a little bit warmer than yesterday, and I think we will get closer to average today. Still below average, but closer to 65, 66 degrees, because what's happening is this little trough is exiting, and we will have mainly clear skies to look forward to this afternoon and this evening to help to warm us up. And then another system here, in fact, a couple of systems coalescing to bring us some rain just in time for the weekend. So dry today. There goes that low, kind of heading out to sea, but a damp and dreary stretch ahead. A lot of Gulf moisture here with this low. That's going to lift in for Friday and early Saturday, and then another storm system will head our way for Sunday into Monday. So let's break it down hour by hour. Notice by 11 a.m. it is still cloudy, and especially for areas in the east, these clouds will be stubborn. We'll get a little bit of sunshine this afternoon and this evening, and then overnight clouds will increase. Tomorrow morning may stay dry for most of the morning for areas in the east. We'll start to see rain develop during the mid-morning hours, though, for areas in the west. This will become a steady rain Friday afternoon and Friday night into the day on Saturday. Saturday morning, if you have plans, it will be damp. By Saturday afternoon, it dries out a bit, although there could still be some drizzle around. And then by Sunday and Sunday night, another round of rain will move in. So let's take a look at how much rain we anticipate. This is just from Friday into Saturday. It looks like a healthy, solid 1 to 2 inches of rain. And that's just round one. Again, that's through Saturday. Round two will be coming Sunday and Monday. The other thing to keep in mind here is the breeze. It starts to kick around tonight and tomorrow. A pretty hefty east wind here at about 10 to 20 miles per hour here into the day on Saturday. So there is going to be a breeze with this system. The winds are going to kick around. So tomorrow just kind of looks like an ugly day. And the extended outlook shows the second system coming in here Sunday afternoon and Sunday night with some heavy rain into Monday. And then next week, this upper low keeps us cool and showery here through the middle part of next week. So when you add it all up now and you factor in Sunday and Monday, we could be talking about between 2 and 3 inches of rainfall, which again, very healthy amount and a needed amount here. So today's high 66. We'll get some sunshine here in the afternoon. We do expect it to be a fairly decent day, but clouds will increase tonight with lows around 50, and then things get ugly, but unnecessary ugly, as we do have some rain through the weekend. Saturday afternoon may dry out briefly. Sunday looks wet and breezy, and then next week kind of cool, occasional showers. Think like yesterday was. Oh, that's how next week will be, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
I think it was hail, but I think it was like little ice pellets when the storm rolled through at my house yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, I mean, these storms had some cold cores up in the upper level, so anytime that happens, you get some hail, and that was reported across the region yesterday in spots.
Okay, thank you, Brett. It is time for this morning's Social Sip.